Knowing your correct tire pressure is important for safety, efficiency, and even tire wear. The ideal tire pressure varies between vehicles, but it's generally between 30 and 40 psi. Some drivers will try looking on the tire sidewall to determine the exact tire pressure, but you won't find it there. For the right pressures, check the manufacturer's tire information sticker in your vehicle's door jamb, or consult the owner's manual. Remember, the pressure listed on the tire, it is the maximum and not the recommended level. Tire pressures should be checked and adjusted when cold. This is because driving heats up the tires and alters the pressure reading. For every 10-degree change in temperature, tire pressure changes by about 1 psi. Under or overinflated tires reduce the contact patch with the road, affecting grip and causing uneven wear. Incorrect pressures can also lead to poor vehicle handling and increased fuel consumption. They also increase risk of tire damage and potentially a blowout. To check tire pressure, you'll need a reliable gauge. There are 3 types: pencil, dial, and digital, with digital being the most accurate. To use a gauge, remove the valve cap, place the gauge firmly on the stem, and read the pressure. If adjustments are needed, use an air compressor to inflate, and press the pin in the valve stem to release air for deflation. Regularly checking your tire pressure, ideally monthly, ensures optimum tire performance and longevity. Tire pressure monitoring systems in modern vehicles alert you to significant pressure drops, but manual checks are still recommended. This is because low tire pressure warnings aren't triggered until pressure drops at least 25% below the vehicle manufacturer's recommended tire pressure level. For more information about proper tire pressures, be sure to check out our article linked in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tire tips and advice. Good luck and happy motoring.